Hi guys, today I will show you how to configure your OLT performance instance by using NCE-FAN NMS. So if you want to see your ONT historical data like users graph, you need to add your OLT or ONT interface to your performance template. So you can use your own template or you can use default performance template. So this is NCE-FAN NMS R022 version. So first log in your OLT. Here you see this is MA5800X2 OLT, and here 216 port card and some ONT configured. So first go this monitor and click performance instance, and from this left side this access and this port, then go port and then scroll down and select GPON UNI interface, UNI port, then select your OLT, get resource, and you see here your PON port list 32 port because here one OLT and a 216 port card, so here total 32. So selected 32 interface, then next. Here I am using default profile. You can see here details of this profile. It's 15-minute interval. Collect this data is upstream, downstream bandwidth percentage, temperature, then supply voltage and TX power. If you want more item, you need to create manually this template. So now select this on, and now next wait to finish, and here 32 is succeed. Now close. So our PON port added done. Now scroll down and Ethernet port, your upstream port, OLT uplink port. Here you need to select OLT from this list. Here only one OLT. If you have multiple, then you will see multiple. Then get resource. You will get your upstream. Each card have 4 port, and you see here from card slot 3 you see 01 is 10G port, 23 is G port, and another card slot 4, this 01 is 10G port and 23 is G port. So all 8 port here I am configuring. Select 8, then next. Here also OLT Ethernet port, default profile. You see here upstream bandwidth, TX power, RX power, that is SFP, and some CRC error. Then next wait to finish, complete, then close. Now Ethernet aggregation If you have uplink port LSCP configured, you need to configure this one also for bundle interface. Select here, get resource, then next, sorry, this one template not available. You need to configure, create monitoring template. (15-minute interval). You can do here 5 or 10. Add from this list. I will select only few, like for bandwidth. And maximum. Then okay, if you want you can set a threshold, alarm threshold. If your bandwidth cross this threshold, it will generate an alarm. So I want to keep here blank as it is, no policy setting. If you want to set policy, like for TX, RX, your bandwidth, downstream bandwidth, TCA, warning, and this value will trigger here, percentage value, your bandwidth. Sorry, here in megabit, so you need to here value is megabit. So and high trigger and high clear, low trigger, low clear. So I want to keep it as it is. Apply. Okay. Then next, close. Now from scroll down below and GPON ONT, you select here GPON ONO. So I want to monitor a ONT bandwidth. Create, select OLT, get resource, select your all ONT, double click, then next, and then finally close. So if you want same way, you can maintain Ethernet port also here, Wi-Fi, CATV. So I want to keep only ONT part. So I am not configuring this rest of point, because if you configure multiple item, it will consume more CPU from your NMS to collect and store the data. So after 15 minutes later, it automatically starting to collect data. From this Ethernet port. If you want, just see here historical performance data. Sorry, query historical data. performance, query historical data. It's still not start. Need to wait 15 minutes to get this data. Now I will show you how to add your ONT to performance monitoring template to get historical data like for bandwidth uses, ONT optical power, etc. So you can configure your performance monitoring template manually, or you can use a default profile. So I'll show you here default profile, how to add ONT after configure. So from your menu, right click, then go performance and monitor configuration. From here you see this ONT come here, and now next, then select here GPON ONT port, it's a default profile. Then next, again next, and you see here succeed 1, failed 0. That means it completely done. Now close and close. Thank you.